Teacher Aya Online Tutor.
Hello children! I'm Teacher Aya, your online tutor. Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start.
I see an ant. It is tiny. Again. I see an ant. It is tiny. Your turn to read, children. I see a bug. It is red. Again. I see a bug. It is red. Your turn to read, children. I see a car. It is blue. Again. I see a car. It is blue. Your turn to read, children. I see a dog. It can run. Again. I see a dog. It can run. Your turn to read, children. I see an egg. It is in the nest. Again. I see an egg. It is in the nest. Your turn to read, children. I see a fox. It is orange. Again. I see a fox. It is orange. Your turn to read, children. I see a gift. It has a ribbon. Again, I see a gift. It has a ribbon. Your turn to read, children. I see a hen. It is fat. Again, I see a hen. It is fat. Your turn to read, children. I see a jelly. It is red. Again, I see a jelly. It is red. Your turn to read, children. I see a kite. It is yellow. Again, I see a kite. It is yellow. Your turn to read, children. I see a king. He has a crown. Again, I see a king. He has a crown. Your turn to read, children. I see a pig. It is fat. Again. I see a pig. It is fat. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. I see an ant. It is tiny. I see a bug. It is red. I see a car. It is blue. I see a dog. It can run. I see an egg. It is in the nest. I see a fox. It is orange. I see a gift. It has a ribbon. I see a hen. It is fat. I see a jelly. It is red. I see a kite. It is yellow. I see a king. He has a crown. I see a pig. It is fat.
Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.